Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, the home to close to 100 classic and collectible cars. Today we're going to talk about our latest acquisition, a 1960 Impala Bubbletop. Give you the details in a minute. Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, the home to close to 100 classic and collectible vehicles ranging everywhere from old Cadillacs all the way up to late model resto mods. We've got them in stock right now. Take a look at our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com for our latest arrivals, newest acquisitions, and some of our really cool cars that we currently have in inventory. But today we're going to talk about what I consider one of the more special Chevrolets from this early 1960 era, a 1960 Impala Bubbletop. This car was ordered with all the right bells and whistles, and the correct color for the car is this red with the red and white interior as well. And it came with what we know as the biggest motor you could get in 1960, a 348. And this one has the TriPower on it as well. So you really have the king of the road when the muscle car era was just in its infancy at this time, right before it really got into the swing of things. But this was really the car of the era right there, 1960. And you could always tell when you came alongside or you looked in your rear view mirror, you looked in the center of the grille, that tells you that it's the big dog. That's not just a little one. That is going to be the big motored car. And like I said, the Impala was the top of the line for Chevrolet for this year in this era. And it has one other feature that's really special in my mind. It has a 4-speed manual transmission, which is really few and far between. Don't see many of them that have it, but that is really nice. If you're a motorhead like myself and any of you other guys out there, that is really a special thing to have. Also, just look at this car overall. I mean, resale red. What better color could you have? And the quality of this car is really nice. All the bright work, the chrome has been redone. The stainless is really nice. The glass is excellent. And then take a look at the interior of this car. It is spectacular. All original instrumentation, even original radio, whatnot. They did do one little extra thing that I've noticed when I started it up for the startup. By the way, you'll want to watch the entire video from start to finish. We do a walk around, a cold start. You get all those little extra details in this video because that really helps show the quality and what we have here. They took the area, what I think where there normally was a clock, and they put a tachometer in it. Really neat. It's just really, it looks almost right at home because this one wouldn't have come with a tachometer of any sort, but that one is in there right now. I love the steering wheel in these cars. The little horn ring is in perfect condition. Yeah, it was the fellow that we got this from. This was his pride and joy. He really enjoyed this car from day one, and it was his favorite one that he liked to drive, and I don't blame him. This would be exactly what I would want to have if I was looking for a 1960 Chevrolet. Of course, we got dual exhaust. You know, they're a little toned down from the 59s with the cat eyes. You know, Chevrolet then put in the, more of the round ones instead for the new look for 1960. Just a little more subtle, but I think really nice. But take a look at that engine compartment. Very nicely done. Power steering and power brakes. Another really nice option for one of these old collectible cars if you want to actually get out there, drive them, and use them. The other thing that, of course, you probably are noticing, it has the really good wide white walls, which is correct for 1960 with the spinner hubcap, but they're the radials. Radial tires just make these old cars just go to that next level for comfort and ease of driving and drivability. That's really a nice feature to have on any of these old cars. The old bias tires are fine, but I think if you're going to actually get out on the highway, cruise down the road, it's really nice to have that. Now you can find all of our cars on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well. Give us a like, leave us a comment or subscribe. We'd really appreciate that. And you're going to find more information on this car and all our other cars that we've had over the past as well. It's just one of those cars. We just really love this early 60s Chevrolets. They're getting harder and harder to come by, especially the Bubbletop. I mean, look at the size of that back window. Beautiful interior in this car, really nice. And the factory 4-speed, that 4-speed to me is just really special. nice horn ring. As we always say, the back end of these cars just look really cool with the way the lowered fins. It looks like it's going down the road fast. I mean, all the cars from this era had something to do with rockets, space, and look at this jet. It looks like the contrails from a jet going down the road. I mean, also the special flags is another indication that this car was probably more orientated towards the performance end than what people, when you pulled up alongside, you took a look and go, ooh, there we go. And the 348, probably, like I said, the king of Chevrolet at the time. So come on down. We'd love to have you come and take a look at this car and many of our other. We're close to 100 of them here. We're open Monday through Friday from 10 until 5, Saturdays 10 to 4 as well. So nothing's better than coming to look at a bunch of really, really nice cars. If you're looking for that Chevrolet you're missing in your collection, you want the big dog, you want the 348 TriPower, power steering brakes, all those good things, we've got it right here on the sales floor of Ellingson's. Come and take a look. Love to show you around.